Under every economy lies something deeper. Under every city, power line, device, a story written in metal and rock. Where did it come from? How did it form? How much remains? What will it mean for the world tomorrow? These are the questions we cannot ignore. At Wits University, the African Research Center for Ore Systems Science, known as CORES, seeks the answers. Here, geologists, geochemists, geophysicists, mineralogists, social scientists, lawmakers, engineers, and data scientists work side by side, analyzing samples, modeling ore systems, connecting fieldwork to the highest precision lab experiments, linking local expertise to global challenges. From the chrome, platinum, palladium, and vanadium-rich Bushveld complex to many critical metals powering the energy transition. From ancient mineral systems to tomorrow's technologies, CORES explores them all. Every drill core tells a story. Every dataset maps a future. This is where research meets industry, where students learn from world-class scientists and cutting-edge facilities, where collaboration crosses borders, academic, commercial, environmental. Because every discovery shapes the world above, for economies, for societies, and for the planet itself. This is where we unearth new futures.